Hello, entrepreneurs, loyal subscribers, YouTubers, anybody surfing the World Wide Web on the internet just happened to find this video. Guys, I'm back for another 7-second share code YouTube video, guys, inside of the 7-second share code club. And in this video, guys, we're going to start talking about how to import your lead capture page to your bridge page, or we're going to talk about how to take both of those pages and how to import them into your Leads Leap membership. Okay, we're going to do that. Now, the lead capture page, guys, we all know we're building an email subscribers list. And so the lead capture page is just a way to get people into our store. Okay, remember, advertising is what we do to get people inside of our stores, and marketing is what we do once they're inside. So the lead capture page is set up so that it brings those people inside of our store, and preferably, guys, it'll take them to a landing page, a thank you page, basically, a sales page, a VSL. You know, it doesn't matter what you call it, but we want to move those people into our email subscribers list, or onto our email subscribers list. And by bringing them through this lead capture page, we're able to bring them onto our email subscribers list. It's just a really simple process, guys. And so if you guys have come through any of the funnels, you already have corresponding share codes to different automated systems that you could have come through within the 7-second share code umbrella, right? And the great thing is they all act in the same manner, okay? Because what we're doing, guys, I hate to say it, but I came up with another title for this particular group of pages inside of the club, because what they are, guys, is they are simply recruiter pages, okay? And for every funnel that I'm building a corresponding recruiter funnel. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So you could have come through any number of lead capture pages, right? Most of them are looking like this, redirecting to a thank you page. Doesn't matter, right, guys? Because what I want you to do is I want you to find that particular share code, because I'll also leave in the YouTube video description. I'm going to my email because I just sent myself the actual 7-second share codes. This is a 7-second share code demo to prove to you guys that it might take me a little more than 7 seconds, guys. But when I'm not doing a video, I can literally pop these share codes. I can import them into my Leads Leap membership in seconds, right? So what I've done, guys, is I got both of the share codes to the lead capture page. Let me see, can I enlarge my screen just a little? I don't think I can. There we go. So I got 2 share codes in the body of this particular email, and they'll be in the YouTube video description area, by the way. P.S. Knock knock. P.S. By the way, this is a free gift for anybody who got Leads Leap, guys. You might want to pick this up. If you're not, and you're watching this video and you want to join Leads Leap so you can pick it up and get inside the club and start using these 7-second share codes, then feel free to do that as well, okay? So what we're going to do, guys, since I have those 2 codes now, I'm going to log into my Leads Leap account, right? And so you can see, guys, I already got the pages in there, right? But I'm going to show you how simple it is to put them in there if you don't have them in there, right? So the first thing you're going to do is inside of your Leads Leap members, you're going to be on the left hand side of your dashboard, and you're going to come to your page manager. And if you're just coming in, just come right down to where it says page builder and click page manager. And when you do that, you'll end up on this page. Now right here, guys, where it says add a new campaign, this is where we're going to name these pages as we're putting them inside, or we're importing them using these share codes inside of our membership inside of Leads Leap. So we got to name the page something. So just click right there and let's name it LC page 1. Okay, you know, whatever, just name it something, and make sure that you reference it as a lead capture page. It's easy because over time you're gonna have a lot of pages. If you're not tagging them, and if you're not naming them, you're gonna be all over the place looking for them, like I still am to this day, even though I did that. So now, once we got the name, we're going to add now. Okay? So now, look at this, guys. There it goes. Look at where I'm circling around a little bit. That's the lead capture page. That's just abbreviated. But if you look over here, it still says add a new design to start, because I named that page, but now I got to add a new design to start. And this is where these amazing 7-second share codes come into play. Because what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to run back over to my email inbox, And I'm going to pull out the lead capture page share code in this instance. And again, it'll be in the YouTube video description there if anybody wants it. And I'm going to go back to my members area. I'm on out of place. And see right there, guys, you see me name it? I'm going to go right there and add a new design to start. Then I'm going to take that share code, that 7-second share code. I'm going to pop it right in that field, guys. And I'm going to do that. And when I do that, now it's going to, the page has to live somewhere. It has hosting. And that page will automatically show up and populate inside of your Lead Leap membership. And if I click it, you guys will see it will take me to that lead capture page. That's the lead capture page I was showing you guys at the very beginning that redirects to this bridge page. I went down there and pulled the share code out, and you guys can see I'm now inside of, well, that page exists inside of my Lead Leap membership. Now, how long did that take me to do, guys? Huh? How long did that take me to do? It took me less than 7 seconds. How? Why? Well, let me show you again, guys. I'm going to go back into my email. I'm going to pull out the next share code for the actual thank you page, whatever thank you page you guys might have picked up. I'm going to go back inside of Lead Leap. Now, you saw me copy the code. Now, I got to name the page something. Let's call it Bridge. Let's call it Bridge Page. And let's come over here like we did last time. Let's name it. And then, guys, you see where it says again, add a new page and design to start. You saw me copy the share code out of my email inbox. I'm going to paste that share code inside of there. I'm going to hit import now. And just like the lead capture page that I did 7 seconds, or about 10 seconds actually before that, this page will also populate in my Lead Leap membership area. Let me click it and show you guys. And voila, there is my bridge page. And so I want those pages. Let me get out of some of these pages, guys. I want those pages imported in my Lead Leap account, because ultimately, guys, what's going to happen is your lead capture pages, right, when you start driving traffic, your lead capture pages are going to take your prospects over to your thank you bridge page, your VSL, your sales letters, your YouTube channel, your Facebook group, wherever you want to take them to. And you can set this funnel up and these funnels up and trick them out to do whatever you want them to do. You'll see the actual business opportunity, the $10 miracle that I'm talking about in this particular video, but it could be anything you want it to be. The actual pages are universal pages. And so what we're doing is we're promoting Lead Leap on the back end or on the front end, depending on how you look at it. But what we're doing, guys, is we're bringing people into our ecosystem, right onto our list with a product and a service that they're obviously interested in. And what we're doing is we're going to tell them a little bit more about it down here. We can present that thing in video. It could actually be you if you want it to be. I got some videos coming up. Well, I'm actually in these videos. It can be you in these videos as well. We're going to be covering all that on this YouTube channel. But look, this highlights everything that this person is actually can have instant access to right now. Right? They just came in and they can see all the features with Lead Leap. You guys know what they are, right? But look, guys, we want to go a step further. We want these guys to walk over our shoulder and watch us put this thing together. Sort of like I'm doing right now in a video, right? And they get to put it all together. I'm going to guess, guys, you probably could do this all together from start to finish in about 5 minutes. Okay, so what we want to do is we're going to build the traffic in, right? We got everything that we need. We got the share codes included on the actual pages. All that's left between you and your potential prospects is an opportunity in terms of being able to instantly lock into an actual incredible list building marketing funnel that can crank out the type of money that you see on the screen. But you can prove it to yourself, guys, because you came in here absolutely free, right? And now you're going to go to work, guys. So look, let's talk about it. Our lead capture page is taking us over to our actual thank you page, right? Lead capture, thank you bridge that does everything. We highlight it all. We got it all here. Got to call Sherrod out again. This guy's doing some incredible work. Sherrod Lowe, hello. If you guys don't know who he is, you guys need to check him out. Okay, anyway, so we got everything there, guys. You can get down here. You can go crazy with the branding, right? And remember, we're tying the advertising and the traffic into the actual funnel system. That means a person has, all you really have to do now, guys, for instance, if you wanted to go over to 1 million ways to market, just go over there. Okay, I'm testing a lot of these sites. The reason they're in there is because they've been working for me so far. I'm going through a list. I'm adding them even as we speak. I got rotators in here, guys. I got a free website URL link rotator. Everything that you need is inside 1 Million Ways to Market. I know you guys know that already. But the point is, everything that you need, everything our prospects need and can possibly use to get up off the ground and get their list building venture started is located inside of the funnels, okay? They're built within the actual funnel systems. That makes this an ideal place to be. So you might be asking yourself, well, what do I do now? You do the next best thing. You do whatever clever. You do whatever is going to get you the best bang for your buck, giving you the actual resources and tools that you need to include the advertising for what you're going to get it for today, because it's zero if you guys haven't came in yet. And you get to still earn commissions inside of Leads Leap up to 50%. And then with anything else that you decide to market and promote through your new 7-second funnel page marketing system. It's just that simple. I thank you guys so much. You just watched me go over my shoulders and load the actual lead capture page and thank you bridge page into my Leads Leap membership area in less than, really, think about it, in less than 15 seconds if you combine them, right? So that Leads Leap technology that we talk about, that second share code technology actually is what I meant to say. It's actually a gift. It's a match made in heaven for any internet marketer. Okay, so now that you guys understand that, there's no reason why you can't keep putting the pieces of this actual funnel system together. Again, all in all, when it's all said and done, I probably can do them now, I don't know, 5 minutes, because I have the actual templates built out. And I will close, and I want you guys to really understand this as we close out in this video. When you have these templates, these recruiter templates, you can plug any business you want on the top of this funnel, guys, okay? Because the person, if they just see the opportunity itself, they may like it, but they may not even know anything about marketing. They may not even have a marketing system. Now, a lot of these systems come with their own proprietary marketing systems. These are bonus marketing systems. They kind of zig a little bit. They're kind of a little bit different than the most company generated stuff, right? So anyway, look, this is what you get. This is what they get. We go over your shoulder. You watch us do it. You get out. You implement. You drive traffic. Where are you going to drive it? We got all kinds of great places for you to drive it, guys, okay? But you start driving it, okay? And like a vehicle, when you start driving it, if you drive it the right way and you continuously drive traffic, you can get to wherever it is you want to go. I love you guys so much, guys. I got miles to go before I sleep. And I want to wish you guys a great day wherever you are in the world. And I'll see you guys in the next video.